let's do some practice with this, that, these, and those. First, I have this pen. I have to say, this is a pen. This is a pen. Okay? Over there, that is a pen. That is a pen. Now, I have two pens. These are pens. These are pens. Okay, I'm going to move them far away. Those are pens. Those are pens. Okay, let's move on to questions. I have one pen. Is this a pen? Yes, it is. Is this a cookie? No, it isn't. Is that a pen? Yes, it is. Is that a cookie? No, it isn't. Okay, two pens. Are these pens? Yes, they are. Are these cookies? No, they aren't. Now they're over here. Are those pens? Yes, they are. Are those cookies? No, they aren't. Okay, so that was our practice for this, that, these, and those. I hope you guys understood, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!